How are we even here? Some kids probably made this up.
I heard it's in the cave.
It looks empty to me.
Is this even real, Captain?
Yes, of course it's real. We wouldn't be here if it wasn't.
Is it Godzilla?
No, it's a bearded dragon.
Wait, dragons aren't real.
They don't have beards either. Whoa, there it is.
Holy cow!
That ain't no cow.
I think we're gonna need a bigger net.
OMG. Sir, we're gonna need reinforcements.
Did somebody call for a little help from above?
It's coming out.
Fire!
Oh no.
Shoot it!
Watch out! They've got the captain.
Try the ray gun!
Try that ray gun again.
Nothing's working. Run for your lives.
I think we'll break.
Well, that didn't go very well.
It rarely does when you cross Mother Nature.
Because of the nuclear weapons?
She does not like nukes.
Who does?
Good question.
When will they ever learn?